In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the chart type in LibreOffice Calc quickly and easily. If you're working with spreadsheets and want to make your data easier to read, switching the chart style is one of the fastest ways to improve clarity and presentation. Whether you want to change from a bar chart to a line chart, a pie chart, or something else, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet file with a chart in it, you can open that existing file instead. The process works either way, as long as you have a chart available to edit. Once your spreadsheet is open, find the chart you want to modify and click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the chart outline or handles around it. This is the first step because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which chart you want to change. Next, double-click the chart to enter editing mode. This is important because simply selecting the chart is not always enough to access all of the chart options. When you double-click, you'll be able to edit the chart itself rather than just moving it around on the sheet. Now that the chart is active in editing mode, right-click directly on the chart. A context menu will appear with several chart-related options. From that menu, click Chart Type. This is the setting that lets you switch the current chart into a different format. A chart type window will open, showing different styles and layouts you can choose from. Take a moment to review the available options. You may see choices like column charts, bar charts, line charts, area charts, pie charts, and more, depending on your data and the version of LibreOffice you're using. Select the new chart style that best fits the information you want to display. If you're not sure which one to choose, think about your data. Column and bar charts are great for comparisons, line charts are ideal for trends over time, and pie charts work well for showing parts of a whole. Choosing the right chart type can make your spreadsheet much easier for others to understand at a glance. After selecting the new chart style, click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice Calc will immediately update the chart and switch it to the new type you selected. You'll see the chart refresh right away, so you can confirm that the new style looks the way you want. If the chart doesn't look quite right the first time, don't worry. You can always repeat the same steps and try another chart type until you find the best fit. That flexibility is one of the benefits of working in Calc because you can adjust your charts without rebuilding them from scratch. So just to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your Calc spreadsheet, click the chart, double-click to edit it, right-click, choose chart type, select a new style, and click OK. That's all it takes to change the chart type in LibreOffice Calc. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next LibreOffice tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.